All right, guys, today we're talking Neapolitan-style white pizza, specifically vegetarian pizza. I've got tomatoes, figs, fennel, potatoes, pesto, walnuts, you name it, I got it. Super simple, super delicious. Karo 16, cutting edge firewood, let's go. Before I can stretch any dough whatsoever, I gotta get this oven ripping hot. That means I need to build a fire. Today, I'm using some mini cut pizza wood from Cutting Edge Firewood. Check this stuff out. It is super dense, incredibly dry. That means it burns hot, it burns clean, and there's just very little ash in the box when you're done baking. There's just not much to clean up. It's pretty cool. Another great thing about Cutting Edge Firewood is that they're the only premium firewood company to ship their product nationwide. That's right. So check out the link in my video description box, visit their website, place an order, and start baking with this stuff, man. It's really nice firewood. So the first thing I gotta do is add one of their Excelsior fire starter, this little tumbleweed right here, to my box. And then I'm gonna place wood around it and slightly on top of it to get my fire going, okay? Put two more on here, maybe one more right on top, just like that. Perfect. Just gonna light this fire starter, just like that. And now we're gonna let the wood do its work. Take the cap off this too. That'd be a good idea. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting close. It's time to start stretching some dough. This looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm liking the way that pizza looks. Nice and round. Yeah, it looks like a good dough. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is add some finely sliced potatoes. Yeah, Yukon Gold potatoes. All right, I used a mandolin to cut these, just so they're uniform. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go with some fresh mozz. Maybe 3 ounces or so, potentially 4 ounces. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna hit this up with some hard herbs. I've got some fresh rosemary and thyme from the garden. So fresh mozz, rosemary, thyme, potato. Beautiful. A little bit of cracked black pepper. Some Parmigiano. I'm keeping the cheeses for all of these pizzas the same. I'm just focusing on the vegetables. You guys can switch up the cheeses if you want to. Pecorino would be a good second choice for a hard cheese. Perfect. And then to finish it off, well, I need to add some salt too, so we'll do that. And then to finish it off, a little bit of garlic infused olive oil. Beautiful, kind of brings everything together there. Into the oven. See you in a minute. Yeah. Hey guys, look at that. Not too bad, huh? It smells divine. You can see you got a pretty decent color on the crust. Underneath looks pretty decent too. Looks great, actually. Can't wait to cut into this one. All right, I'm gonna put this potato pizza aside just for a minute. Let's make a fig, walnut, and fennel pizza. How's that sound? Let's give it a try. These little figs here, these are turkey figs, I believe. Just gonna spread them out. They add a nice, kind of a mellow sweet flavor. Nothing super sweet by any means. I guess it really depends on how ripe they are, but figs are never really super sweet. Let's do that many. That looks good. Now I've got some fennel that I've roasted off earlier. Can you see that? Nice. Just a little olive oil, salt and pepper, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna spread that out. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Beautiful. Now we're gonna grab our mozz. Again, maybe 3 to 4 ounces here, something like that. Of course, we can't forget the Parmigiano. Perfect. Always a little black pepper. Been doing this a lot lately. There we go. And then some salt. Just going in the oven. back a little bit too much. Oh, burn this one a little bit there. Oh well. Coming out. All right, here you go. Not totally impressed with this one. We're gonna add some fennel fronds to it. Since we had the head of fennel, might as well put some fronds on there, right? You could also put some olive oil on here if you wanted to. That's up to you. I'm gonna not do that this time, but still a pretty decent looking pie. I can't wait to dig into it. So put this one aside and we'll cook our final pie. Pizza for all you pie haters. I think I need to add a few more pieces of this mini cut pizza wood just to get this fire going a little bit hotter here. There we go. Pesto. Now you can dollop this on, or you can spread it on like I'm doing here. Just a kind of a thin layer all over the base of the pizza. All right. Now these tomatoes right here, these are local tomatoes. Grab these at the farmer's market. They look delicious, just kind of an assortment of small cherry tomatoes. And you could also add some zucchini or maybe some sauteed or roasted eggplant to this pizza. Might be good, good variation. Olives would be good too. Those would stand up to the flavor of the pesto. Of course, fresh mozz again. You could do like some buffalo mozz. Maybe even some goat cheese on this pizza would be good. Dude, goat cheese on a fig pizza would be awesome too. There, perfect. Parmigiano. There we go. There we go. Rotate this bad boy. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Yes, sir. All right. That's pretty colorful, I'd say, and that's probably the best looking crust today. You get that vibrant green going on from the pesto, along with the reds, the yellows, and the oranges from the tomatoes. I hope it tastes half as good as it looks, really. Now I'll bring the other pizzas back out, I'll cut them, taste them, and tell you which one's my favorite. Last pizza here to cut. I'm just gonna cut a little slice off the side there. You know, I really should be using a fork and knife to eat this style of pizza, but I feel like that's just gonna take way too much time while shooting a video. Anyways, we're gonna work first pizza to last pizza baked, and I'll tell you what I think. This is the potato, fresh thyme, rosemary, a little bit of garlic oil. Let's see. That's pretty fantastic. Such a simple pizza, but all those flavors come together so well with the potatoes and the herbs, playing with the garlic. Then you get the creaminess from the cheese. Very, very good. All right, fig, fennel. Oh, I forgot the walnuts on this pizza. All right, so we did a fennel and fig pizza. I'm human, I make mistakes. Anyways, let's give this a try. Wow, I like the fennel fronds on top. We got that sort of fresh anise flavor going on. Then you get roasted fennel, so you get like a little bit of a deeper anise flavor going on there. And then the fruitiness from the figs, delicious. Last but not least, got a pesto and tomato pizza. Whoops. For like a 2-topping pizza like this, just really fresh flavors going on here. Super bright notes. Great summertime pizza, man. Verdict is in. The first pizza, that's my absolute favorite. Yeah, I think it's, when you look at how to source these ingredients, that is the easiest one to put together for sure. So give these 3 a try. Let me know what you think. Comment below what you think might be your favorite pizza out of these 3. And I'll catch you guys next time. I can smell the wood burning. It's just like, it's intoxicating. Well, yeah, I'll catch you next time. It was good.